had this client, I remember this is probably 10 or 15 years ago, and she was here in Phoenix where I'm at, and she wanted to use her retirement account to buy rental property. And the reason she did it is she had, I mean, maybe 250 grand total saved in a retirement account. She was in her mid 60s. She was barely starting to take some money from Social Security. And she was realizing that for her to not have to work and live off Social Security, she needed to do better than the mutual fund she had. And what she was doing was she was subsidizing her expenses over the year by selling a little bit of the mutual fund. And she saw her account going down, and she's like, this is not sustainable. So what she did was she found a cash flowing piece of real estate here in Phoenix. This was 15 years ago, and she sold the mutual funds, moved to a self-directed IRA, bought the cash flowing real estate. Now she had a property that had rent coming into it every month. She was over 59 and a half, so she could pull this out of her IRA whenever she wanted to live on it to supplement her Social Security. So she would take the rent checks out and she would just take the cash flow to live on herself in retirement.